Walking on the stage, throwing L's to the crowd. St. Louis in this bitch, 300, hold it down. The club going wild, cause my homies going ham. You hear us in that bitch, and they all be yelling, damn, damn, damn. They all be yelling, damn, damn, damn. They all be yelling, damn, damn, damn. They all be yelling, damn. You hear us in that bitch, and they all be yelling, damn. The homies going ham.
Alright guys, we got the 2013 Chevy Cruze. Just got the 5 BTL, 12-inch all installed. And just going to give you a little video of what it's doing, you know. Of course, you pick the song and it takes forever to hit.
I know that I'm the shit, so niggas not talking down. Know me, so keep on down. I'm so high, I'm so nice and from my head to my feet. I don't ride, I got down the street. These things ain't cheap, these brains ain't cheap. They ain't talking about money, speed, don't speak. Put me in a piece of right next to my dream.
Alright guys, so you know, throw me some comments, suggestions, anything. Just want to hear what you guys think of it. Have some new videos coming up shortly, you know. They're showing a little extra things, so check it out. Thanks guys.